Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Onyx. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get your rear park sensing. Backup camera, we got the lovely Subaru logo right there, we got a roof spoiler, roof rails as well, with some nicely black trim along this vehicle, which adds a nice pop to the white here. We got heated door mirrors, turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front real quick, we do get that nice Subaru grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. We got hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, got lights, got a 12 volt as well, a little cup holder there on either side. We got a cargo tunnel cover as well. That does just hook into those little hooks right there, which is pretty handy. And of course you do get your normal storage underneath your spare tire, and you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. Taking a look in the back here, we do get these lovely seating for up to 5. We got some nice gray, gold, black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back. You got some leather accents. You got some leather accents on the back of the seats as well. Floor mats, carpet interior, USB-C, USB, and of course you do get your cup holders and arm space if you just fold that out, which is all pretty handy. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front with powered windows, powered mirrors, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 40,110 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap heated steering wheel with your cruise control, lane centering. We got paddle shifters, playback by forward, source, toggle free screen, phone, mute, voice, volume, and all that fun. Right now we have our clock and temperature, average fuel economy, distance to empty, and all that fun stuff. To my right here we got our gear select, parking brake, heated front seats. We got a 12 volt outlet right here, cup holders, more storage here, center console with tons of storage, wireless charging that you can turn on or off, and it has a little light down there, USB, USB-C, and an aux. Over here you got your storage in your glove compartment, and above me we got our features for our little sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, SOS services, hazards, we got our volume, we got our temperature controls on this side with dual climate. You can turn it on or off, all that fun. You got your radio, information about the vehicle, no weather data, you got snow, dirt, X modes, normal, deep sand and mud, all that fun. And we're gonna go back real quick. Aux disconnected, got your radio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, all the usual, SiriusXM. We're gonna go home real quick. Media, phone, apps, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, My Subaru, Travel Link, all that fun. Settings, you got your auto hold, car info, display info, vehicle dynamics, shortcuts, and shifting to reverse, you do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RF52737A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.